the Canadian, based on the index, is the weakest currency of all. So, and we have seen that there may be some misleading, there are non-confirming setups, if you will, with regards to the rest of the pairs. So I'm looking now for a place where this exasperated moves can turn around. So based on the daily chart, I really don't have a clean setup where I can say, okay, this is where I'm going to buy it. Okay, but if I look at the intraday chart, right there, that could be a structural point, because there is my trend, there is my momentum low, there is my failure, and therefore that is my structure. So I can be a buyer of the dollar CAD above the 101.31. That will be my buying point. Again, I'm buying it when I have a structure. We buy, guys, for the guys that are joining us for the first time, we buy when we have a technical reason to buy. Okay, we don't predict a value, we don't predict. So this is a technical entry right there, the 101.20, and I have previous day at 101.31, so a difference of 10 pips. So I'm leaving 10 pips on the table just to be on the safe side of the trade. My structural long point is that I have from last week is the 101.66. So let's put it here, the 101.66. And you must put these on your chart so that you can see them. There's your 101.66. And you can see always, I don't know why, I mean, it's fascinating. They always, these structure points, they always line up with the key lines. I mean, it is amazing. I mean, it's uncanny when how it spots these, or how these all come together. I mean, it's really uncanny. So we're going to buy it above the 101.30. That is my structure above it. So that's good. So if I buy it at 130 and it gets above the structure, you're looking at towards the 102.37, somewhere about that, to initiate the buy. I mean, to see if you get as a target. For us to go short, we're going to go short below the low of the day is 1006. And you can see that this is a bad close. This is a close that would indicate we're probably going to get, you can call it a big range close. We're looking for a trend change, a pullback on that. So that is going to be my my selling point, and I have a structural short point below the 99.29. So let me put the 99.29. So I think there's also another minor structure here, which is 10043. So I'm gonna call that my 10043. That will be my minor structure. Okay, so my short point is going to be the 10066. And my structural short point is going to be the 1.0043. That is my structural short. And if I go long above the 101.31, I'm placing my stop below the market side, which is the 10093. And if I go short below the 10066, I'm going to use also the market side as my stop. So the market side is going to be my stop for the long and the short trade. Okay, that is the dollar CAD. So let's wrap it quick. The dollar CAD, I'm buying above 101.31. My structure long is 101.66, I'm sorry. right? And my stop is going to be 10093, and on the short side I'm going to go short below 10066, and my structure short is 10043, and my short stop is the same as the long stop, which is in both cases the market side. Okay, that's the dollar CAD.